Happy New Year! Ipip tayo! Happy New Year! Ipip New Year! Ipip! Happy New Year, Yumi! Yumi! You okay? Happy New Year! Happy New Year! Ah! Gulat ka! New Year, Yumi! Happy New Year! Ipip natin si Bolt! Happy New Year! Okay, para na-stress na sila. Okay? Magulat ka? Ay! Lakas! Up. You okay? Oh, what's that? Oh my God! Let's go! Happy New Year! Woo! Wow! What's that? Happy New Year, ha! Happy New Year, ha! Happy New Year, ha! Oh, nasayaw pa! Wow! Ay, hindi ako nakatalon! Talon! Hindi ako nakatalon! Natalon na sila! Oh my God! Happy New Year! Happy New Year! Wow, it's so bright! Oh, pumunta na ang fountain! Wow! UK Unicorn! Wow! Let's look at them! What's happening? Happy New Year! What's happening? Wow! What's happening? Wow! What is that? Okay na guys! Happy New Year! Welcome 2026! Ayumi, are you okay? How are you? You okay? Yumi girl? You okay? You okay? Hello? Not stressed? You okay? Mukhang konti lang. Mamaya patapos na yan. Okay! Chilling lang si Yumi! Happy New Year! Wow! Happy New Year 2026! Let's go! Ba't wala? Happy New Year! Baka sa akin pumunta ha? Saan? Unang misa ng 2026. Pero 3 PM pa.
May sasama.
para sa anibersaryo sa ika-35 anibersaryo ni Tony and Doris Valerian.
Sana all. Tapos na yung visa. Tayo ay pupunta na sa sasakyan. Bangga na nga ni. Vlog pa. Okay na guys, nandito na kami ngayon sa Shakey's dito sa may tapat ng SM Batangas. Nakapark na si Pixel, si Popo, si Sporty, tsaka yung Wigo. Gamit yung siya. So pasok lang kami, tapos order, tapos kakain na, let's go!